You want to get your manifestation. You want to get it now. You want to get it ASAP. You want to get it at the speed of light. And I'm going to teach you what truly rich people do in order to get their manifestations. It's so easy, yet it's not very well spread. It's not talked about. So let's go right into it. But before I do, I'm Jana Green, international award-winning success and manifesting coach, and I teach people how to manifest at the speed of light. Why? Because I do. My clients have serial results. I mean, they're manifesting things which most people on this planet would think impossible. Monetary wise, love, whatever. By the way, watch more of my videos. There's some amazing testimonials. But they all do this one thing, and I taught them how to do it. You ask for what you want. You want lots of money. You want love, you want health, you want whatever. But you forget laws of physics. Laws of physics doesn't say there is a reaction and then there is action. Third law of motion, Isaac Newton. The law says there is action to which there is reaction, which means you have to do something first before the universe can react. Do you understand what I just said? You have to do something first before the universe can react and send it right back to you, sometimes multiplied. Which means if you want money, you have to spend money. And you don't have to spend huge amounts. You can take $1, $5, and give it to a homeless person, or feed a cat, or buy someone a flower, a stranger. It doesn't matter. But you need to give first before you can receive. Same with love. You want someone to be desperately in love with you? It can happen easily. It's not that difficult, actually. But you need to be love first. You need to love first. Only then you can receive. So check your life and tell me, and tell yourself mainly, when do I just expect to get but don't give? Because I can tell you, I have a perfect example of it. A few years back, I was trying this out and I thought, okay, I work so hard. I'm going to buy myself ridiculously priced cream. But I had a sample of it. It worked. I was like, I need this cream. And it was, chemical free. So I thought, okay, 300 pounds. That's a lot of money. Never mind. I'll buy it. I deserve it. I bought it. And by the time I walked 50 meters from the store where I bought it back to the bistro, Italian bistro, when I had a coffee, literally a few meters, someone paid me 5 times that for a session. It's easy. It took seconds for me to spend money, for me to push my ceiling of what I'd normally spend, and receiving it. It took seconds. It's a perfect example how this stuff works. It's not difficult. If I can do it, so can you. Spend first, receive second. Love first, be loved second. Do something healthy for yourself first, receive perfect health second. Change your thoughts on any subject first, receive manifestation second. It's a law of action and reaction and cause and effect. Starts with you, no one else. And for those who would like to make some serious money and who would like to be millionaires, there's a link in the description of the video where I am teaching my millionaire breakthrough, millionaire identity shift, which you have to become the version of you which already has the money and can handle it and knows how it feels and it's familiar with it and behaves like a millionaire before the money can show up. And I'm teaching you exactly and very specifically in 8 weeks how to do that. So get on, go to the waiting list, and my team will talk to you. And here you go. Everyone gets fantastic results. So can you. And I'll see you then. Bye bye.